Mr. Carlo Morris Gala.
Hi, good evening everyone. Good evening to our media, to our partners, the organizers of this new personality search. Welcome to Mr. and Miss Cosmos Philippines 2020. Palakpakan naman po. Okay. You know very well, PEPPS is a production company that we actually handles national and international pageants. Like, example is yung World Miss Tourism, we have Mrs. World Peace, we have Mr. International, of course, we hosted Mr. International, and dito sa Philippines, we have Miss Philippine National Police or Beta Police. We have Miss Esplanade, last time na ginawa natin yan. We also have, for pageant management, we have Miss Millennial Philippines from Mundi Bulaga, so kami naman nagpa-pageant management. Even Super Serena, pageant management team na click kami doon. And of course, yung project ng PEPPS, which is Mistress of Filipinas and Man of the World. But this time, we are launching a new brand na we collaborate with NSAI Incorporated, very trusted ng PEPPS in doing this kind of production. So, medyo kakaiba to. Mamaya malalaman nyo kung ano yung mga i-offer namin sa inyo na bago. Aside from the age, kung nalaman nyo na yung age, it's actually 20 to 45 years old. So, siguro later, para mabigyan kayo ng idea pa kung ano itong ilo-launch natin na to, papakinggan natin later si Sir Don from NSAI. Before anything else, I would like to thank HMOA for accommodating us. Palakpakan nyo masarap yung food.
Yes!
So, papakilala ko lang si Sir Rat. Sir Rat, nasan ka? The owner of H Cafe. Ayan. Pagiging words naman sa ating mga friends na nandito.
Hi, good evening. First of all, thank you, Carlo. We're not yet open. We're being opening on Saturday. We are Filipino native healthy food. So you expect sinigang na sa sinampalok na manok, mga ganun po. But we have, the brand is really Healthy Meals PH. If you go for social media, Healthy Meals PH po yan. We deliver keto, high protein, and skinny meals. In the rest of all, we have the herbal dishes, we have the keto and the vegan. So I hope you can drop by Saturday. We are open already. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Rat. Anyways, this new brand na ilo-launch namin is one of the events ng PEPPS this coming 2020 and more to come. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Mr. and Miss Cosmos Philippines 2020. Thank you. So, may papakita lang kaming video sa inyo.
Cosmos.
Cosmos is the universe. This is our home. This is our future. Mr. and Miss Cosmos Philippines Search. The pageant promotes space education and awareness. Timely and relevant.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the inaugural of this Mr. and Miss Cosmos Philippines. This event or this search is a brainchild of mine because when I was still a small kid, I really wanted to be an astronaut when I grew up. But wala naman tayo ditong courses for the astronaut or astronomy subjects. So when I was a child, I was really fascinated yung mga inspiring na celestial objects such as the moon, the stars, the galaxies. And kahit na nung bata pa ako, I already had questions in mind na parang I have interest for yung mga yung mga parang gusto ko mag-explore o mag-discover ng mga things na wala dito sa Earth. So, when this year, last year 2019, I realized that is the dawn of the new space age because the space age was in 1957, which is the start of the space race ng Russia and United States. They sent, Russia was the one who sent the first space flight in space because they are racing, each of them are racing with one another, the US and Russia. And that was followed by other several spaceships and space flights. And this last year, 2019, was considered as the new space age. So I thought that why made a pageant for this? And parang meron din akong calling na yung parang I want na yung kumbaga yung mankind or humanity magkaroon sila na ma-realize nila na we have something here on Earth and our position and place in the cosmos. And now we incorporate this new space is incorporated, which have the mission and advocacy and yung purposes and aims, which is to greatly increase the knowledge or promote space, cosmos and space awareness, and its significance and relevance to humanity, to the future of humanity, to the future of human life, and to the future of our planet. So, dito nga, I have this one kasi I have here the purposes and the aims, but this would do you mind if I would read it to you?
Yes.
So, but this would these are the aims and the purposes of Mr. and Miss Cosmos Philippines. The New Space Age Incorporated, also known as Mr. and Miss Cosmos Organization, the owner and producer of Mr. and Miss Cosmos Philippines, and the would-be Miss Cosmos and Mr. Cosmos. It's a non-profit corporation with the following mission and advocacy. Yun na, to greatly increase the knowledge or the level of consciousness and awareness of mankind on cosmos and space-related matters and its significance
Ate Joy,
and relevance to
si Hans
the future of
pakainin mo na.
humanity, of human life on our planet, and its place and position in the entire cosmos. And the new space age would actively promote and uphold the very significant and relevant and profound cause and advocacies for awareness on cosmos and space-related activities, and also to promote astronomy and cosmology, and to promote and support the innovations and advancements of humanity in space science, the space technology, space explorations, space travel, space tourism. We also have space tourism and space industry and astropreneurship. And we would like also to promote and support our astronomers and scientists' quest for habitable planets in the entire cosmos for the benefit of humankind, for future generation, for the next generation, in order to preserve the humankind, the human species or human beings, from mass extinction in the near future caused by massive global natural resources depletions, by adverse and harsh global warmings and climatic changes, and by impending nuclear wars or Third World War, if ever, na mangyari. And also another one is, we would like to promote and support astronomers and scientists in-depth researches and investigations to understand or fathom the great mysteries of the cosmos, such as the mystifying phenomena of unidentified flying objects. I believe you are familiar with the UFOs and other baffling celestial objects that pass by our planet and the solar system. And there is also, because the scientists, they are hoping to answer the humanity's greatest question of all time, which is, are we alone in the cosmos? This is the question that the scientists are always asking themselves, but they have not found the answer yet. And another one is to promote the astronomers and scientists' quest for intelligent alien life forms or beings of civilization anywhere in the cosmos. And because of this, any discovery of these extraterrestrial or alien beings or alien
Hi, Miss Jo Gabokai. Thank you for watching. Miss Jo Gabokai, the famous international choreographer.
Who we are, where did we come from, why we are here on this planet, and what would be our future as human beings, and would give us a better understanding of our place and position in the entire cosmos. And also, it would make us realize the state of mankind's nature and relationships with the supreme being that we call God, who is being worshipped differently in Christianity. So in Christianity we have we call it Trinity or the Lord Jesus Christ. In Islam there's also the God we call Allah. In Buddhism it is also called Buddha. And in Hinduism it's also called Vishnu or Krishna. They are the God of different religions. And there's so many other religions in our planet which have different concepts, doctrines, and beliefs about the nature of humankind and supreme being. You know, the cosmos is so vast, and it consists of billions and billions of galaxies that contains billions and billions of stars. And these stars also contains trillions and trillions of planets, including our home planet Earth. As ever, the human beings, we human beings we Earthlings are always preoccupied, and we are conscious only with earthly and worldly concerns and activities of this planet, which is this planet is just a very, very tiny dot on the entire infinite and eternal expansive space in the cosmos. And that's how insignificant we are in the cosmos compared to the size of
Wifi ba sila dito? May wifi.
the cosmos.
May wifi sila.
But
Hindi ko natanong.
even
Baka meron.
though we are, aside from
Hina ng signal.
being concerned with the earthly world activities,
Hi, Miss Jo Gabokai, the famous international choreographer. The very sexy and beautiful Miss Jo Gabokai.
Expand its consciousness into the fascinating, amazing, and great marvels of the cosmos. And we would like also to promote and support the or possible tie-up and collaboration with the national and international space agencies, space organizations, the astronauts, the space stations, and observatories such as the DOST, the NASA, the Philippine Space Agency, and the SETI, which is the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence of America, and the Breakthrough Mission, which is a US project to search for intelligent life, and many other space organizations. And I hope that this pageant would give us a better understanding of our nature and of our place and position in the universe, and we could have interest and
Thank you, Drew Francisco, for watching.
interest or more knowledge about the space and cosmos. Thank you very much, and I hope and I welcome you to this inaugural event. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi to Miss Joga Bokay, the famous international
giving us a better
choreographer
understanding of what cosmos is.
in the entire
And now
world,
to show us
Miss
the
Joga
slides, may I
Bokay.
call on the Director for Media Relations of PEPPS Foundation Incorporated, Mr. Aski Pascual.
So this is actually, guys, the new pageant. Ay, ito pala.
We
Lolo
just
ko.
want to introduce kung bakit nga ba Miss Cosmos and Mr. Cosmos. So you're wondering, maraming contest around the world. And meron Miss Universe, Miss Earth, and mga related sa spaces. So, 1969, it was 50 years ago, yun yung pinaka-golden age ng exploration, science, space exploration. Yun yung time na na-conquer ng USA ang moon, pero sinasabi na that time naman yung na-conquer natin yung universe. So, we research maraming contest na about the galaxy, about the cosmos, about the world. So, totoo pala, cosmos is not new. So, we found out na nagsimula yung contest as early as 1952 kasabay ng Miss Universe. We have Queen of the Universe. Or Queen of the Outer Space, sorry. Which is... yan yung mga photos...
Tayo na title dati, no? Queen of Outer Space. Ito, Noli, confirm. Nabutan mo yan. Queen of Outer Space.
Before pa man siya naging Queen of the Outer Space, tinawag siya Miss Guided Missile.
Ano, Miss Guided?
Weird yung name, pero
Hello.
nag-exist pala yung contest. And ginawa talaga siya para mag-promote yung space, especially in the United States. Meron pa nga silang Miss NASA, which is National Space Administration in the United States.
Go lang.
Conceptualize nila yan to promote the exploration of space or space science in the United States. And naging successful sila kasi nga yun yung naging peak ng golden age ng space exploration in the US. And after nilang magawa yan, they stopped the pageant. I think naging hanggang 1970s, 70. So ito yung mga time na naging highlight ng golden age ng space exploration. In that time din, nakalimutan or peak ng pageant nila, Miss NASA. So yun yung 50 years since 1969, narating natin yung moon. Pero ang tinututukan kasi natin dito in the Philippines is yung space science and exploration na wala pa tayo. Which is yun yung ginagawa ng pageant na to is pagkaroon ng advancement. Kasi meron na tayong katabi nating bansa, we have Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand, they have their own space agencies. And then this 2019, we do have, meron tayong bill na nag-create ng space exploration or space agency in the Philippines. Pero nung, as early as 1865, nangunguna ang Philippines. We have Manila Observatory na ginawa nung 1800s pa lang. So 1865. So ito yung photos niya, which is ngayon nag-insist pa rin siya pero mas malaki na siya. And nung 70s, ito yung time ni Marcos. Now we have partnership with the US. Ito naman yung as a natural disaster risk, sa natural disaster na bansa, isa sa mga ginagawa nila that time is paano makahinto yung mga typhoons, super typhoons, which is part pa rin ng space promotion, exploration that time. Pero that was 1960s and the 70s. Pero until now, hindi pa rin siya nag-materialize. And then we have, eto nga 2019, last year's, nagkaroon tayo ng Republic Act 11363, which is ang creation ng Philippine Space Agency, which is the first time in the Philippines. And yun yung ginagawa namin, is ito lang yung sum na gustong i-highlight ng bali, is to understand the universe, the cosmos. Kung bakit nga ba, kung ma-promote din yung diversity and global unity. Kasi hindi lang tayo ang nandirito. Kumbaga, it's about pagkakaroon natin ng mindset na this is, we are global citizens of the world. So, magkaroon tayo ng unity. And then, this is a big help, katulad natin bansa, monitor yung climate change, pag-minimize ng mga natural disasters. And of course, yung sense of pride natin. Kasi kapag nagkaroon tayo ng advanced exploration, halimbawa na lang ng USA, ng Russia, yung mga bansa na mayroong advanced sa space sciences, sila yung mga superpowers. And kapag nagkaroon tayo ng awareness in the Philippines, katulad na nangyari sa US, mas marami ang magkakaroon ng interest about space exploration or space agency na siguro mga students ngayon in the future, mararating din natin kung ano yung narating ng ibang bansa. And of course, we have successful explorations in Mars. Kumbaga sabi nila yung Earth is hope natin ngayon. Pero dating araw na there's possibility na meron pa tayong bagong magiging home, which is Mars. Ang pinaka-
Yes, Mars. Doon tayo nakatira.
Ayan. So,
Yes.
that's the advocacy of Mr. and Mrs. Cosmos, which is napaka-relevant
Ang finals
timing
na
kasi this
Mars.
is a space age.
Ang
Tayo
finals
yung
na sa
millennial
Jupiter daw.
of today. So, kumbaga, we need to prepare. We need to do more. And
Ang ganda,
ito yung
love ko.
advancement na ginagawa ng pageant na to. So, of all pageant, we're happy na merong contest na nag-advocate about this type of issues.
Ang lawak.
We welcome you to be here.
Yes! Congratulations!
I would like to add pala something. I would like to add something na I would like to let you know that the title holders or winners of this contest will be the space ambassadors,
Ay,
space ambassadors or spokespersons. Na they would promote yung information about, disseminate information about space, about cosmos, and everything that is space and cosmos related activities and matters.
Thank you.
Also, our president is from the family of Beauty Queen. Remember, Miss Maha Pilipinas Maha 1988, Moriel Coral. So, kapatid mo. And she did also in Mrs. Universe in 2010 in the Queen. And then she won Mrs. Intelligence. So, this time we'll have our Q&A. So, this may be called on our...
So that's guys for Mr. and Miss Cosmos Philippines. Thank you for watching.
Space Age Technology and Space Agency PEPPS Foundation. And then, of course, our host.
Question.
Tapos tayo
If you have any questions now, you may ask Sir Carlo. Any questions?
Noli, ayun na sila. Ito.
First